Okay, this is the Hammond collection Tyrannosaurus Rex. What's different about this T-Rex from other T-Rex toys? The mouth is ratchet, so it can open it can be closed, open, and really wide open. And there's a hinge at the mouth. And you can still close it. You don't need any buttons to, open the mouth. You can just open it by your hands. There's a ball joint at the head. Ball joint on the neck. But this neck is kind of there's rubber on the neck. So it kind of limits the range of the articulation. Also, it has wrist articulation. It has wrist articulation, it has hinge, and it can move. The shoulder there's a hinge at the shoulder, and there's a hinge or ball joint at the, that's the elbow. Hinge at the elbow, it can, kind of move. And there's a ball joint or hinge at the shoulder. Same with the other arm. And there's waist articulation. It can go up, down, left, right. It can go up. The legs can move. It can move kind of. Gosh. So if you get this figure, the leg could be kind of tight to move, so I move the joints so it's not really, tight. There's a hinge over here at the leg, another one here, and it can swivel, and the feet can swivel. Same with the other leg. You can also go out and in. Also, the hands can also go back and forward. And we're at the tail. So the tail is on a ball joint. And another section on the tail is also on a ball joint. The tail is separate in the packaging. And so you have to plug it in with, it's pretty hard to plug it in, but then it's going to be a very nice toy. So that's basically it. This is the Hammond collection Tyrannosaurus Rex toy. Thank you for watching.